Okay, this is my urban planning simulation designed to demonstrate the effect of um, residential placement on transportation. Um, so we have in the center here a couple skyscrapers. This represents the center of the city, and when you gaze at it, it uh, grows and spins, and you read some text about it. If you click, it'll stay like that. And you can also look at the other types of buildings. We also have some residential zones near the center, and finally a industrial area over here. Now, as you can notice, there are some cars going between these buildings, as well as some little paper characters walking between them. These, whether it's a character walking or a car, is dependent on the distance between where the person is starting from and where their destination is. And the goal of this was to kind of demonstrate what I wanted to demonstrate my message in a more emergent kind of way, rather than directly stating how this would work. So what this allows you to do now is, if you click on a building and then click it again, you can place a copy of that building somewhere else. So if you place, for example, these skyscrapers over here between the red building here and the industrial area, you'll see that some people will now be able to walk to the industrial area, whereas before it was only reachable by car. Likewise, if you take the residential buildings and place a copy of them far away from the other buildings, they will exclusively use cars to get to their destinations, and this will make a huge difference in the number of cars that are being used in the simulation. And the significance of this, of course, is that increased use of cars increases environmental pollution, wear on the road system, and all sorts of urban planning stuff decreases, community engagement, and setting this up in a way like this, where it can kind of naturally discover consequences of placements of these zones, I think is very beneficial for learning.